Hello guys, this is Roy from the Rana Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, and today I'm going to do a test about the Geary RPM checker, and also I have a Bandai speed checker, because this speed checker also have a RPM checker as well. So because I always have a question about the Geary, is that really the number is really actual number for the RPM for the motors? So today I'm going to do the test about using the speed checker and the RPM checker, and also compare it to the Geary. So that's gonna be today's video, and let's see how it works, and let's see compare the speed checker and the Geary, see which one number is right, and also see if that really actual is the same. Okay, check it out. Okay, so now we're gonna do the test 2 for the compare the speed checker and the Geary. So for the speed checker, I'm going to using this brand new alkaline battery, because if I'm using the rechargeable, then people might gonna ask, it's gonna be different voltage. So try to make it fair, and the number can be more trustable. So I choose using the alkaline battery, and this two I'll just take it out from here, and it's brand new. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna using the alkaline battery, these two sets, for just doing the 2 tests and see the numbers that shows on the speed checker. Then I'm gonna take another 2 brand new, then I'm gonna hook up on the chassis and check with the Geary. Okay, so just give me a second. So where is the, okay, here. Okay, let's just get it all set, make it ready for checking. Okay, so let's see what's the actual numbers. Okay, so 29,000. So we're gonna do the second times and see the numbers. Okay, okay, it still shows the 29,220 RPM, and it takes the maximum numbers. So that is what speed checker shows the RPM for this motors. Okay, so right now we're gonna check the Geary. Okay, so let me take another 2 alkaline battery. Okay, so right now we're gonna see. Okay, well, let's start. Okay, so it shows 34,000 on the Geary. Okay, so then we're gonna do the next test by using the power supply and to hook up the direct hookup to the motor and check on the speed checker and the Geary. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna change a little bit because my power supply seems, I don't know, for some reason the 3-volt is not strong enough as the backlight battery. So as for the test, I'm gonna switch to 4.5 volts, and so because we don't need to care about the voltage, we only want to see is the RPM difference between the speed checker and also the geary. Okay, so I'm gonna switch to 4.5 volts. So let's see. So the test 1. Okay, test 2. Okay, so we had, because it's 4.5 volts, so it's go a little bit more faster. So this one shows 34,320, and the other one is almost close to this number. So let's see what does the geary shows on this one. So okay, so I'm not going to change the voltage. I'm not touching it. I'm just gonna turn on the switch. So I just take this one off, then I put the geary, put the cell phone here, and we're just gonna test it over here. So we're just gonna, okay, let me see. Okay, it's just gonna hold like this. Okay, all right, let's start. Oh shit. My bad. Okay. Okay, 42,000. Okay, so right now I can tell the difference between the speed checker and the geary is gonna be, well, like 5,000 to 7,000 RPM difference. But personally, I will say I trust the speed checker RPM like machine better, because it's not checking the RPM by the sound. Because believe or not, I have a long time, not long time ago, probably couple months ago, I was trying to do the test. I was testing a torque tune by hook up just a regular rechargeable battery. But the motor seems like it's pretty bad already, and you can hear like there's a click noise. I think the brush is pretty much damaged already, but when I turn it on and try on the geary, it shows 40,000 RPM. So it's pretty weird. So that's the reason why it makes me to make the video for today and shows you the difference. So personally, I will prefer and I will trust the number come from the speed checker will be much more real, because the reason why is at the package of the motor there shows the range for the RPM for the motors, like Mac dash is like, I believe 22 to 24.5, something like that, and even though you try to break it in, I believe some people, they are like, I'm not saying the people are doing the RPM by using the geary and shows like 40,000 RPM. That's fake. I didn't say that. It's possible. Maybe he's very lucky. He got very, very good motors. But for my personal opinion, I will still trust the number from the speed checker. So the number, for me, I feel that's much more real. So that's much more reasonable, because even though you try to break in the motor, for my personal opinion, braking is only make your motor run much more smooth and make the brush is the surface is touching more, and then can make the motor run much more better. So as far I will say it shouldn't be go that much. So like for myself, maybe I'm wrong, but for myself I still trust this machine better. So this is today's video, and if you want to see more video like this and you want to see more testing, like more tests about some other stuff, please like and subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Thank you.